Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my lips look bigger with makeup. So I'm going to go step by step and show you guys little tips and tricks that I do that make a very big difference and can make your lips go from 0 to 100 real quick. So I'm gonna show you guys my secret products that I use that I feel like really do the job and I feel like will help you achieve your big lip goal. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what products I use and what techniques I use, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright, so step one is to clean off any foundation that you have on your lips. So I pretty much already got rid of all the foundation, but I'm just going to take some tissue paper and try to just clean it up a little more. And what I usually do is I'll also wipe off just a little bit over my lips because I'm going to be applying some product there anyway, so I don't want foundation there. So I've taken off as much foundation off my lips as I could, and now I'm going to go ahead in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumping Gloss. So this is what it looks like. This is my secret, you guys. This is the secret makeup product that literally does wonders. So what I like to do is I like to apply this like thoroughly all over my lip, but also a little past my like natural lip shape. So like a little bit onto the skin and the edge of my lip. And what that's going to do is that's going to plump out the edge of my lips, and it's going to create like a fuller illusion. You'll see what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right now. So first I'll just apply it all over my lip. And you can see I'm gonna go a little past the edge of my lips. And just onto the skin. And this product does burn a little bit. It's got like a tingling sensation. So if you are, I guess, sensitive to that, just be aware. So now that I have the gloss on my lips, I'm going to wait about 5-7 minutes and then we will move on to the next step. Alright you guys, so it's been about 7 minutes and you can already see how big my lips have gotten. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wipe away the gloss because I'm done with it. It's done all that it was supposed to do, which was just plump up the lips and make them look a little bit more voluminous. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this away. And you can also see that my lips are red because they're obviously irritated from the product. So yeah, this is like honestly the real deal. Like this gloss does a lot and I'm obsessed with it. Another great thing about the gloss is that it has really nice moisture and hydration, so it really preps your lips for any lipstick or lip product. So that's another thing that I love about it. So now I'm going to go ahead in with some lip liner. You can go ahead in with any lip liner of your choice, preferably something that is a bit darker. And I'm going ahead in with the Nabela Noor and e.l.f. Maira Nude lip liner. I have currently been obsessed with it. I'll show you guys the color. So that's the color if you guys are interested. Don't mind my cut. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead in and just line my lips, but the trick is to overdraw. So because of the gloss, my lips already kind of got more puffier and just larger in general. So I'm just gonna follow that overall. And when it comes to the center of the bottom of my lip, I'm going to overdraw just a little bit more than I am on the edges. So you can see that, and then I'll just attach them. And And for the center of the top lip, I'm going to overdraw it more than I did the sides of the lips. And I'm actually just completely going over the Cupid's bow. So if you're someone who likes your Cupid's bow and you don't want it to completely just disappear, you can go ahead in with some concealer and just like an angled brush like this. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. If you're curious, I use the shade Light Medium Sand. I'm gonna just take some concealer on the brush and I'm just going to artificially recreate my Cupid's bow. And of course, you can always go in and clean up the edges. Alright, so that looks pretty good for now. I'm going to move on to lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using the matte MAC lipstick in the shade Whirl. You can use any lipstick you want. I'm just using this nice taupey color right now, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. And I'll swatch it on my hand as well. So that is the color. So I want to give you guys a couple of options based on what your makeup style is. So if you're someone who just likes to have like just a matte lip, one color, and that's it, you can stop here and you can see that your lips are going to look beautiful and big and nice. Typically this is where I like to stop like on a daily basis, like daytime when I'm going to work and stuff like that, or on days where I'm just not feeling too much for my lips and I just want a nice matte one color look on the lips. This is where I'll stop. But I want to give you guys options. So if you want to make your lips look even more bigger and more dramatic and you want to draw more attention to your lips, then I would suggest brightening the center of your lip. I'm going to do that and show you guys. So I'm going to grab the lipstick. It's a Tarte lipstick in the shade Beach Babe. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And I will swatch it just so you guys can see how light it is in comparison to the first lip color that I applied. So I'm just gonna go ahead in with it and apply some in the center. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. Alright you guys, so you can already see how that has made such a big difference. It's definitely accentuating the lips even more, making them look even bigger. So the very last thing that I want to mention, another tip that you can do to make them look more plump, more luscious, is to go ahead in with a gloss. I'm gonna go ahead in and show you guys what that looks like, and going to show you how it can make an even bigger difference with just a little extra to your lips. So I like to use the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. This is what it looks like, and the reason why I love to use this is because it's just a basic clear gloss, so it will work with any lip look, like any makeup look, any color, because it's clear, right? So you can just top it on top of any lip color. So I'm gonna go ahead in and do that. Alright you guys, so you can see that the gloss really makes your lips look voluminous, makes them look really plump and big. So that's definitely another tip and another trick that I use to make my lips look bigger. So just to recap, of course, if you don't like lip gloss, you can of course skip that step and just do the first two steps that we did, or if you're someone who doesn't like to mix lipsticks and you just like to have one color on your lips, then of course you can stop at the one lipstick, the first step, and just end it there. You don't have to brighten your lips with a lighter shade in the center. But I thought I would show you guys some different varieties that you can do, or little tips here and there that you can do to really make your lips look bigger, more plump, more luscious. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content from me, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.